Hey pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a review and tutorial. I was sent over a pair of gorgeous extensions from Goo Goo Hair. First off, can we take a minute for this gorgeous box? So I'm actually wearing them today. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look right here, and we're going to go over everything. Before we get into it, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Also, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. And other than that, let's get straight into it. So before we go into the tutorial part of today's video, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about these extensions. So if you were looking for a new pair of clip-in hair extensions, or you were just new to clip-in hair extensions and you're wanting to know how it kind of works, I got you. So they sent over two sets, and I've got another set right here, and I'm wearing one set right here. So these are their 20-inch dark brown balayage set. It's 20 inches, 150 grams. This is 100% Remy human hair. You guys, if you don't know anything about hair extensions, or if you do, you probably already know, if you're looking for a pair of extensions that you can wear every day, you definitely want to go with Remy. You do not want to go with synthetic. Remy hair is real hair. It can be washed, it can be styled with heat, and it's going to last you a lot longer than synthetic. But yeah, so they sent over one set that I'm wearing and another set for backup, and each set comes with, so they've got the 3 clip wefts. You guys will see it in a minute when I'm going into it, but we've got a 3 clip weft. It comes with 2 clip wefts. We've got a 4 clip weft. I went with 2 sets because I normally wear 180 grams, and thankfully these hair extensions are priced so well that you can actually buy 2 sets. Not only have a backup, but have a little bit more volume if you want it. But if not, 150 grams is a great starting point for anybody. I actually have in about 180 right now. And I'm obsessed with these. The clips on these are very comfortable. If you are a clip-in hair extension wearer, you know that clips are one of the most important things. So I'm going to show you guys like an up-close look right here. These clips have a little backing right here, like a little silicone backing that makes them super comfortable. These clips aren't too big. They're not some of those clips that are going to squeak when you're putting them in. Like, I've had companies send me hair extensions in the past, and I've honestly not even posted about them because they were awful, and I told them you can either have them back, or if you want me to post a review, I'm gonna, let people know. One thing I love about these extensions are they are very good quality. The clips are super comfortable, the color is spot on, and the hair is just super soft, super shiny. I washed these before I put them in because I feel like they curl just a little bit better. Personally, I feel like they just style better after you give them one good wash. And what I liked about these when I washed them, they didn't mat up, they weren't real tangly. So just a really good pair of extensions, good high quality pair of extensions for an affordable price. So they did give me a discount code for you guys. If you're interested, you can use code LOVE10 to save 10% off. Shipping is super quick with them, and you get this cute little box, and they also sent over a pair of lashes. I will show you guys those here in just a second. I think I've still got them. I think I tried them on yesterday and I took them off and I wore them, and they're upstairs. But I'll show you guys those in just a minute. And then they also sent me a clip to use as I was doing my hair, with this little clip right here that you can use as you're parting your hair to place your extensions. You've got this clip. But yeah, so that is everything. You guys, we're going to get into the tutorial part. It moves super quick. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look right here. And yeah, so let's move along with that. Everything will be in the description box. Okay, so I've got my hair extensions right here. I've already put in one of my 3 clips. And I'm going to section off the rest right here. And we're going to go in with a 4 clip. And if you already have thick hair and you don't want to do all the pieces, I would just recommend going in with one of the bigger ones, and you could always skip going in with the 2 3 clip wefts. So I've got my 4 clip right here, and usually I will just give it a little brush out, and we're going to start clipping. So I've sectioned it off back here. We're going to go in right above this next one. And I really love the clips on these because they're super comfortable. Some hair extension companies can be hit or miss for me, but these are really comfortable. And then I just blend it in with my other hair. I've already sprayed in my heat protectant, and we're gonna start curling. And I just use let me show you guys what I use for the heat protectant. So I just use this Chi heat protectant right here, and I just spray my natural hair and my hair extensions before I start curling, you know, because we don't want fried hair. And then we're just gonna keep curling. But yeah, and also another thing I really like about these hair extensions are the balayage. So I had a set before from Luxy Hair, and they were double the price, and honestly the clips and the hair, the quality is nowhere near as good as these. This hair is so soft. Like I said, it is Remy. But yeah, super happy with these. So now I'm gonna go in with another 4-clip. So I'm gonna section it off again. And we're just going in like above, you guys see this, like an inch above right here. Let's section it off. And then we're gonna stick our 4-clip. Some people tease at the root. They'll take a little teasing comb at the root of your hair, like to give it volume. Personally, I don't ever do it. These clips attach really well. You can see right here. They're super comfortable, and they've even got like a little rubber backing right here. So, and then we're just gonna start clipping. So I'm gonna turn around from the back and show you guys what it looks like, so you have a close-up view. You guys can see what this looks like, but this is where I've got the next track laid down. So then we're just gonna start curling again. And the curling iron I'm going in with today is just this 1 1/4 inch Hot Tools curling wand. Some people like their curls looser. I usually start mine out a little bit tighter because they do fall during the day. So I just do them pretty tight, and then when I get through, if I want, I can just kind of run my fingers through them and loosen them up some. But you see how good they blend with my natural hair color? I couldn't believe what a spot-on match it was with the chocolate brown and dark brown balayage. Okay, so now that I've got this 4-clip right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, we're almost to the end, I'm going to take these two clip wefts right here. These are meant to go on the sides. So I'm going to brush them out. Do you guys see how shiny and bouncy this hair is? Like, it's so soft. And I've already washed it once, so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to connect this back clip on top of where I had the 4-clip. Gives it a little bit more of a base, and then I just kind of pull it right here to the side. Sometimes I have to readjust it. And then we're just going to do the same thing over here. So it's just like that. And now I'm going to pull this down and keep this last section up just a little, because we're going to blend in our last pieces, which are going to be just these little one clip wefts after we blend this together. So what I'll do is I'll pull the hair back, the ones that I'm about to mix in with my natural hair. I'll pull that back. If I can find this one, there it is. And then just kind of brush it through. Curling. like crazy, my head like crazy, you guys, because this curling one has a super long cord, so my plug's over here by my vanity, and it always ends up getting stuck on the last knob, and I'm like sitting there stuck. Alright, where did the one clip go? There it is. And I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. And I usually just curl like a separate direction away on this side than I did on this side. And voila, we are done. So now if you want to, you can just kind of pull your curls out a little bit. Kind of poof this up back here, make sure everything's covered, and shake it out. Let me show you guys what it looks like from behind. So here's what it looks like from behind. Super bouncy, you guys see it's the perfect length. This length right here, it's like it's not too long, not too short. Okay, so here is the finished look. Like I said, I'm really picky about my hair extensions. I wouldn't recommend some to you guys that I didn't fully believe in. I'm obsessed with these. I'm super glad I got 2 sets of them because I will definitely be wearing these for the foreseeable future. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much to Goo Goo Hair for partnering with me on this. You guys, don't forget to check the description box if you want to check out and save some money. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.